So, hi Mehul, my name is Kanishk and I'll be your English instructor for this duration. I will guide and help
Yes,
you through any issues and problems that you may face with the language, and we'll be discussing about things in depth. So, let us get started. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
yes. Myself, Mehul Jain, and I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and I am a digital content creator.
Wow, that's amazing. So, what platforms do you use to, uh, post your
Yes,
content on?
on YouTube and Facebook.
And
We have a
Facebook, why
channel.
not? Uh-huh.
Yes, I have a channel on YouTube, educational channel named Mehul Jain, which have around more than 1 million subscribers.
Wow. Okay, I'm talking to a big celebrity today. That's nice. Okay, but why not Instagram?
Why not Instagram? It is the main reason behind that. It is not related to the video content. We are I am a video content creator. It is a photo mainly related to the photo content, and also the uh, direct way of earning is not available on Instagram. It is only available for the sponsorship and promotions and all.
Hmm, I see. Well, that is a very smart decision, I must say. So, Facebook and YouTube, great, great, great. What kind of educational videos do you make?
Yes, I makes related to the competitive exams like general knowledge questions and mind riddles, puzzles. Like you can say, logical Bania channel and
Right.
rapid mind channel.
All
This type
right.
of
So,
content.
yes, these channels are absolutely amazing and they're very important as well to educate the students about, the exams that are coming, how to use their mind properly to increase IQ. So that's absolutely amazing. Um, Now, how did why did you choose this job and how did you find this job?
How did I find this job? In 2017, when I pursuing my MBA, I want to become teacher. I want to go to the teaching line. So I decided to start some making videos of chapters so that it will help me to judge my teaching skills and revisioning of the content, revisioning of the some chapters. So I make the video of journal entries from the 12th accounts, from the 11th accounts, basic journal entries. So I uploaded it on YouTube on
Nice. Nice.
2017. My first video uploaded on YouTube on March 2017. That time I does not know about the some monetization and ads and all. After that, I see the ads on my video, and that why I see that uh, we can also earn from YouTube. So after that, after 1 2 months, I started again uploading some chapters from the accounts, and then some chapters from the MBA. And after that, when I see the according to the views, I switch my content to the competitive exams because on competitive exams the views comparatively higher than the that content.
Absolutely.
Because so I shifted my content to the competitive exams, and then regularly that and that time I also, after MBA, I also done my job. I also joined company in finance sector, accounting job I have done. So in 2018 I have done that, but after 1.5 year, I thought that I should resign from, I should quit that job and became full time YouTuber, and will grow this business, this digital business from my own. So I quit that job, and now I am focusing on this.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Thank you for sharing your entire journey with me. This was definitely very inspiring to see, and it definitely shows that you have put in a lot of hard work in this, because having 1 million subscribers is not a small thing. That is 10 lakh people who follow your videos and, watch your content. That's absolutely amazing. So, with that said, now it's time that we come to the session material. Did you have time to go through it?
Yes, I have gone through the session. It is something about traveling.
Yes, absolutely correct. This is something about traveling. So, do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel. I like to explore the new places. I have also uh, created a new channel my of vlogging, travel
Oh,
vlogs and all.
nice, nice. So, which places have you traveled to?
Yes, because you can say I have traveled recently. In January, I have traveled to the Jaisalmer for the around 2-3 days, in which I have seen sand dunes for the 1 day and Jaisalmer city for the 1 day, and camping there in sand dunes and all. And after that, I visited Gujarat. In Gujarat, I have spent 2 days in Ahmedabad, which is a great experience for me in Ahmedabad. And after that, I have visited also Surat for 2 days.
Wow. So, you have traveled a lot, I must say. How was your experience? Do you usually travel alone or do you travel with somebody like your friend or your family?
Yes, I have traveled these places with my friend. But
With your
I have planning for the future after this lockdown. I am planning to travel solo also.
Nice. That is going to be really, really fun. I really hope that you have good experiences and you can share them in your vlogs as well. So, last question that I want to know is that which places do you not like to go to?
Not like to go to that you. That is the difficult question, but I want to answer that. Those
Yes.
places were those places were like uh, you can say those places which are tourist like places, which are properly made for tourists, like uh, where you can say like Kullu Manali, Shimla. These are the places which we only go as tourist purpose. We only see we don't see their locals. We only see the persons which are came from the around the world, which are came from around
Absolutely.
India. So what I does not make any. I personally think it is not any. This makes any sense. Ki we only visit 3-4 days, and I. That's why I want to visit that places which are crowded, like Delhi, like Mumbai, Indore, the Ahmedabad that I was visited, and that was a very beautiful city. I have visited sand dunes. That is not I think good, because that is tourist place.
Nice. Absolutely nice. I really like the fact that you like this, that the place you visit should be like naturally good. I really like that thing, and absolutely amazing. So with this, now we come to some grammar exercises that I really want to focus on today. All right, can you hear me properly?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. So I was saying that with this said, now we come to some grammar exercises, and we will be discussing a tense. What is tense? Tense is the time in which we are speaking our sentence. So the sentence can be talking about the future, it can be talking about the past, it can be talking about the present. So basically, the time in which this sentence is. Okay. Now we are talking about the simple present tense. Let's break it down word by word so we can understand it better. Simple means this is not a continuous thing, it does not repeat itself, and it is not a perfect thing as well. Perfect things are things that started at some point, properly started, and ended at some point, properly ended, and do not affect the time before them and time after them. Those are perfect things. So, simple present tense, it deals with a lot of things. We will be discussing all of them. First of all, things that are your daily habits. I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. I eat rice every day. All these sentences that are your habits, they come under simple present tense. Then we have universally true things, also known as universal truths, like sun rises from the east, the sky is blue, the grass is green, there are animals in the jungle. All these sentences are universally true. Everybody knows that. So they also come under simple present tense. Then things like your feelings, I'm happy, I'm sad, all these things, they also come under simple present tense. Okay. So whenever you are making these kind of sentences, please keep in mind that your sentence should tell me whether it is your habit, your feeling, or a truth. I'll give you a lot of examples now. He does not listen to me. So this sentence tells me that this is his habit of not listening to me. Okay. Another example can be, uh, I am feeling hungry. Okay. This can be another example. So, and yes, in this I need to discuss the usage of the word do and the word does. Okay. Do you know the difference between them?
Which sentences? Which words?
Two words, do and does.
Do and does. This is the some like I think singular and plural. Some
Uh,
does is
no,
used for the singular and
no. I'll help you out. With he, she, and it, we use does. Okay. And with I, uh, and you, we use do. So whenever you say I do, I notice that many a times in your speech you were using I does. So please keep in mind from now on that you simply can use do. I do not see that, that I do see that, and you do not see that, you do see that. He does see that. You cannot say he do see that. That is incorrect. Okay, this is just one small thing you can keep in your mind while you make sentences. So now can you make some easy sentences with simple present tense?
yes, I can make. Uh, uh, I I am doing conversation with Kanish Khurana.
Absolutely correct. A small edit in that sentence would be I am having conversation with Kanish Khurana. Okay, you don't do conversations, you have them. All right, that is one thing. Now can you make one more?
Yes, I am making a video on the topic discrimination.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Very, very nice sentences. So, yes, that's all for today. Now we come to an end. Your feedback will be that you definitely are confident when you speak. You maintain a very nice demeanor, which is absolutely perfect. But I want you to be a little bit more expressive when you talk. Whatever you're feeling, whether it is happy, sad, let that come through. Let people be able to see that. Okay, that is the only suggestion I have. You can practice this by talking in the mirror or being conscious about your feelings, and that's all. So very, very nicely done today. I really like the sentences, really liked your story, and all the best with your YouTube career. It's
Thank you very much.
absolutely nice.
And I want to know that from which city are you?
I'm from Gurgaon.
Gurgaon,
Yeah.
Delhi side.
Yes, yes. All
Yes,
right.
in Delhi, the many YouTubers are from the Delhi side.
Many, many of them. Some
You can
famous
say
ones
the
like
origin of YouTube is from Delhi.
Yes, I completely believe that. You see, the YouTubers like Boom Bam, Flying Beast, and
And many, yes, many
absolutely.
bloggers are.
Yes, so I'm really happy because in this city we have really generalized internet as a source of income,
Hmm.
right? So these are all internet incomes, digital incomes, and that's very, very normalized. So that's absolutely perfect with this city. So yes, that's all for today. All the best for your day that's coming ahead, and thank you so much for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you.